So real quick, we're gonna do deals that work best. I wanna take some questions here in a minute, but we're looking at blue collar neighborhoods. So most of my ARV numbers are $150,000 or less. So that means neighborhoods where the house, once it's repaired, it's around that 150 or less. For me, that just fits my niche. For me, for my money, it's way more efficient, so I can pay lenders a little more. It's attractive to them. And it's just much more efficient. Now, we're not looking for people with great credit. I don't care about the credit. We do common sense lending. Now, we underwrite the people. We're looking for jobs. We're looking for down payment money. We're looking for job history. We're looking for common sense stuff. We don't care if you didn't pay a credit card 4 years ago, you got dinged on your credit report, and none of the banks want to talk to you because of your credit score. That's not what we're worried about. We're worried about the ability to repay. Now, how do you find these deals? I wish I had a magic potion. It's kind of like, how do you find rehabs? How do you find wholesale deals? I don't know. You hit the market. You either jump in and you market for deals yourself. And I've done deals all over town. I've done deals in Polk County. I've done deals on the south side of Houston, north side of Houston, east side of Houston. So there's no honeypot neighborhood that you can only do deals in. So you either have to market, you have to find deals. You're going to find deals from wholesalers or off the MLS or something, but those are never going to be the super deep discounts. Because if I had this deal as a wholesale, you wouldn't be buying it for me for $30K. I could have probably put this on the MLS as is for $50, and I would have got money for it if I wanted to. And I could have made $20K. But doing owner financing, I crush those numbers over the long term. And of course, I buy as is and I sell as is. Now, that's the easiest way for me to do it. I don't like rehabbing, so obviously I push towards that. But I'm also, sometimes, okay, I'm going to spruce up the house a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit of landscaping or paint or something extra. But you don't have to spend a ton of money in there. However, if I did, I have a reserve budget that I still will pay for because I got extra money out from my lenders.